Andrew just killing it right now. Oh yeah.
Alright, so this is my Toro lawn mower. Here's the snow plow I have for it. I welded up this front bumper here and bolted onto the factory frame and 4 holes for the bolts here. I have tire chains on it. That's the trailer. I have tire chains on it for the snow. It has a Brayton Stratton 14 horse. I blew up the first motor in winter, so this is the second motor so far, and that's not bad. Let's try a cold start here. We all love a good cold start. Turn the gas on. Mint. See how she fires, you know. Pump it. Almost. Man. There she floats. Not bad. Headlight switch. I had to rewire everything because nothing worked with this motor. But somehow it all works. New battery. All from last winter. And I got some footage from last winter of this thing plowing. We had about a foot of snow. I even pushed some cars. So here's that. Hey! Number 2, boys, number 2. Heavy load! So yeah, let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I'm sort of new to this whole YouTube thing, but I'm going to try it out here. I had fun building this thing, and maybe I could make some videos in the future of other cool projects I've always got something going on, so you never know. Anyway, sweet.